Hey, Zoe. Today is the day you're going to join our mom friend's lunch party. Hello, Lily. Now, come to my house right away. As a celebrity wife and the leader of moms, I'm going to show you how exceptional I am. You know where I live, right? It's on the top floor of that tower block directly connected to the station. I'll show you, a poor mom who has to work for a living, what the life of a celebrity is like. I think I told you that I can't because I work on weekdays. Don't you forget that I am a leader of the moms group. You have no right to refuse my invitation. Come to my place now. I'm sorry, but I'm in LA today for work. Huh? LA? I'm on a business trip and won't be back until the day after tomorrow. What? That's like going on a trip without telling me. Huh? It's a business trip. But LA is a famous sightseeing spot. You are saying that you're enjoying a sightseeing trip on the back of your job. How dare you try to one-up me? One-up you? How could you poor people be so cocky? Well, you know the difference between a business trip and a vacation, don't you? I didn't come to LA for fun. Don't argue with me. Cancel your travel plans right away and come back to join us for a mom's lunch party. I have an important business meeting coming up. Huh? Now, if you'll excuse me. Hey, Zoe! We're not done talking yet! God, what a cocky little bitch! Zoe, about the mom's lunch party, weekends are not good for you, right? Then, how about this coming Saturday? This Saturday? I'll be working in the morning, but available in the afternoon. Oh, it's rare that you're so obedient. Well, I can't accept your invitation every time, but I would be sorry if I kept refusing. Besides, I'll be available this time. But I'm so surprised that you have to work on Saturday, even if it's only in the morning, in a time when a 2-day weekend is the norm. You're poor, so you always have to earn a little money, aren't you? It's a meeting with a company that closes on Sundays and Mondays. So the members who attend the meetings have to work on holidays. I'm a housewife, so I don't understand that kind of thing. Your husband works as a manager of Company D, doesn't he? Oh, you knew that, didn't you? Yes, we've been doing business with Company D for a little while now. Well, that's a good thing to know. Well, in that case, I'll be sure to treat you well at our next mom friend's lunch party. Thank you very much. Hi, Zoe. You're already on your way, right? Hello, Lily. I just finished work a while ago, so I'll be there by 12 o'clock, the appointed time. I'll be waiting for you with my best hospitality ready. Oh, Zoe, I can't believe you left just because someone spilled tea on you. It wasn't hot enough to burn you, so don't be so crabby. You shouldn't splash a drink in someone's face whether it was hot or cold. Hey, isn't your boiling point of anger a little too low? You should have a more peaceful point of view. Of course, I know you are a poor person with no room in your heart, but when I told everybody that how good my husband is and that he had recently secured a deal with a large company, you gave me a very scary look. From the fact that you travel a lot, I'm guessing that you're in sales too. It's obvious that you're frustrated to know that my husband succeeded in making a big deal. Please don't be jealous of my husband, a terrific salesman who is the general manager of your business partner. Oh, Did I look jealous? You are the type of person who lets your feelings show on your face, aren't you, Zoe? It was so obvious. And it was so painful to see you so jealous that I couldn't help but pour tea on your face. I hate people like you. Let me ask you again, just to be clear. Your husband says he is the one who brought about the success in that contract, right? That's right. It's a deal with the largest company in the industry, M Corporation. That's strange. The person who always comes to our company is a young woman. What? Our company? Zoe, are you an employee of M Corporation? This is something I do not understand at all and would like to ask our rep about it first thing next week. Huh? What are you talking about all of a sudden? Depending on how things turn out, we may have to break the recent contract and stop doing business with Company D in the future. What? As soon as we reach a conclusion on this matter, we'll notify Company D where your husband is working for. Wait, Zoe? Goodbye for now. Zoe, do something! It's all your fault! Do something quickly! What is it? I'm having dinner. I'm getting a divorce! My husband blames me for the exposure that he took for his credit for the deal with M Corporation, saying it's because I invited you to Mom Friend's lunch party in the first place. Oh, that's he? He's also mad at me for spilling tea on you. So? What? That's a marital issue, right? It's not something I, a stranger, can interfere. Don't say you can't do anything without even trying. I'm in a lot of trouble. Do something about it right now. It's none of my business, right? It is your business. I didn't know that you are the CEO of M Corporation, the company that my husband does business with. How could I possibly know that my husband claimed his subordinate's credit in the contract with M Corporation as his own because he wanted his own achievements? Whether you knew it or not, it's true that your husband stole the credit. Then please tell Company D that you won't stop doing business with them and that you will continue as before. Oh, we will continue to do business with them. Really? With conditions. Conditions? We heard that your husband made his own decision that once the contract was finalized, he would be in charge of doing business with us from then on. But we told the senior management of Company D that we firmly refused that and suggested that we should keep our business relationship if the woman in charge now stayed in her position. That's utterly nonsense, because my husband would be demoted. Please, just let my husband be in charge from now on. That would make everything all right. Didn't I just say that I told Company D's senior management? Huh? This is a matter between companies. It's not like personal matters. I just spilled a little tea on you, and you've gone this far. Lily, you seem to have misunderstood something. I didn't bring up the idea of canceling the deal with Company D just because you splashed tea on me. Huh? That's it. This is it. As for the deal, it's about your husband's dishonest behavior for taking false credit, and it is a company-to-company issue. As for the tea splashing on me, that is a private matter between you and me. I'm telling you once again, that's it, and this is it. I'm not going to lump both matters together. Please be sure to keep that in mind. Zoe, what is this? Why should I pay alimony? Good evening, Lily. Did you know that splashing tea on somebody could be considered assault? Huh? In addition to that, I heard you did a lot of things, Like you told your mom friends that I'm so poor that I eat rotten food, that I'm actually in a lot of debt and secretly doing some sleazy work, that my foreign business trips were actually cheating trips, and so on, going around among your mom's friends. Some of them actually believed you, and that was so annoying. I request a consolation payment for those nuisances against me. Isn't that awful? My husband divorced me after all. That should be enough. Still not satisfied with your revenge? I told you I would deal with it separately from the company, Mother. That's it, and this is it. If you don't agree to pay the alimony, I'll file a damage report. How dare you! You pretend to live in a crappy small apartment, but really you are the CEO of a company and a celebrity! That's not fair! Huh? If I had known that, I would have never made such a mistake! Well, if you're talking about the apartment near the kindergarten, I'm just renting it for remote work. What? For remote work? I set up a remote work system at my company about 2 years ago. I'm just not the kind of person who can work from home, so I rented an apartment as a workspace. It's also a good place to drop off and pick up my kids. My house is located in a residential area beyond the station. Beyond the station? Is that an upscale residential area? Are we done yet? What? I would like to talk to you through my lawyer from now on. So, goodbye. No, wait! Hey! My husband has sued me for alimony as well. Please, don't make me suffer anymore. Zoe? Hey, Zoe! Not long after that, the full amount of the alimony I claimed was transferred to my account. The alimony that Lily's ex-husband claimed was actually for her cheating on him. Actually, her kids were her boyfriends. Her ex-husband had a hard time being demoted and taking a pay cut. Well, that's it. This is it. He did not hesitate to file a claim with her. According to Lily's lawyer, her parents shouldered their daughter's debt. She's now working morning, noon, and night without a break. I heard that she had never worked in her life before. One day, she sent a whiny line to her mom friends saying, "It's so hard to work." And they were so annoyed that they blocked her altogether.